Hey guys, welcome to Jimmy White TV. I'm right now at Westminster Bridge and close to Westminster Park. I'm here to explore the whole of this place. Please subscribe, comment, like this video and share this video. Yes, I'm going to take you around the tour and explore the whole of this place. Let's see how this place look like. Guys, so I'm now walking down the streets of Westminster, and I'm in the part of the stream side, and I'm walking down to a side that I got to know that a guy told me, and they say that place is very beautiful, that we can go take a tour in that area and see how that side look like, and that's the side I'm going to take you like. But right now you can see I'm walking on the street, and in the part of Westminster, and I'm walking towards the almost to get to the circle. So I'm going to take you up there, and we all are going to see it. Yeah, right now I'm sitting in on the streets. You can see those restaurants, different restaurants. They have French food, different kind of continental from different country, where you can have a meal if you are hungry. Maybe you're around here, you are hungry and you need a nice food to eat. Yes, this is a place to come. I'm in the tunnel of Westminster, and I'm going to go through the tunnel, and we are all going to go through the tunnel. Let's see how the tunnel go through like. Wow, look at the circles. This is a part that you can come and play with your children. You can bring your little children to come to this part and catch the fun. You can see the nice horses that are there. This is a very beautiful park. You can see how big it is. People come around here. But today, I don't think it's open today, but it's always open on the weekend, and it's open. Maybe if you pay for the ticket, you can be allowed inside. But right now, if you don't have the ticket, the gate is open. But this is a nice part. So I will see wherever you are, come to Westminster and catch the fun in Westminster. I'd like you guys to guess where I'm standing at. I'm actually standing at the back of an ice cream cave, where you can get an ice cream in this park. Yeah, you can get an ice cream, and if you want your taste of ice cream, this is where you can get an ice cream. You get an ice cream, bring your kid and get an ice cream and enjoy your place. And there's a place that I saw that I'm going to go. I'm going to move to that place. There's a place that I spotted now that I'm going to show you guys. This place is so beautiful, and perfect and beautiful for family, friends, relations, cousins, to everybody to come to this park and enjoy Westminster's park. Wow, you can see. Wow, look at the London Eye. It is going up as it's coming down. Look at it going up and coming down. Very lovely. Yeah, people are going there for touring, going up. People are going to see how beautiful the thing is. It will take you up and take you up and bring you down. You can go on this tour. On this tour, look at a lot of people. Look, a lot of people are there. Students are there. Everybody want to go and catch this fun. So wherever you are, come and catch this fun. Come and catch this fun. Go on this thing, and you're going to enjoy it. Wow, I'm going to go on it right now. I'm going on it. Let's go. I'm in part of the Westminster Park, and this side has restaurants, and I'm in a cafe where I'm taking my tea. It's a little bit chilly. It's a little bit chilly, and since I'm outside, I need to take my tea to chill out and get warm. And if you are in this part or you are trying to know this part, and right now you can see that there's a restaurant that if you feel hungry, you are in the park, you feel hungry, you can come around this place and get some food, drink some tea, and catch some fun, I'm standing at the stream side, at the back of the stream side. You can see I'm looking towards the, there's some speedboat around that area you can see. That's a lovely sight for you to come and view. If you come here like summertime, you're going to enjoy this very part. And I see this part as a place you can come and have a relaxation, like a picnic, like having a sober reflection time. If you want to have a nice view, see the sun, view the sun, come over this place. It's so lovely. The weather here is good. So wherever you are, come and enjoy this part of this park. Do you see that field there? Do you see that field? Do you see how big the field is? Do you see the lovely house at the back of this place? See how tall that lovely building is. Wow, this is a lovely sight. How do you see yourself not loving to come to this park? You need to come and enjoy this part. This park is so big, it's so big. This is one of the biggest parks in London. I'm telling you the truth, this is one of the biggest parks in London. It's so beautiful. So many beautiful structures are built in this place. In this place, I'm telling you, you can see a lot of things that I've seen. And I'm still walking around this place. See the lovely beauty, the lovely building, the lovely pigeon. You see people walking around. Look at people walking around. People are around. You see people around this place, everybody. So wherever you are, come and enjoy this place. It's a very lovely place. Wow, I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, guys, I'm in the skipping part of this place. You can see these places. Guys are skipping here, enjoying themselves. These are the part of the park where you see guys skipping. Everybody's going, enjoying themselves, having a nice time. Yeah, you can bring your things around. Yeah, they're all skipping. Guys are skipping. Yeah, hello guys, how are you? How are you? Yeah, you see, guys are skipping. Say hello to them. Guys are skipping. And what's your name? Nets. I am Jimmy White TV. And what is your name? So, I need to talk to you guys. How do you guys see? Come to the video. How do you guys see this? How do you guys see this skipping place? Because I'm how the park is, how beautiful the park is. So I need you to tell guys how this place is. Are you guys enjoying this place?
Yeah.
So how are you guys doing the skipping? How do you guys are doing the skipping? How do you guys enjoying the skipping?
Yeah,
are you just learning?
Yeah, we're learning this.
So,
we're learning.
So what is this part? Is this part a training ground?
South Bank. It's the oldest, probably one of the oldest skate parks in the UK.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, and this place has been for a very long time.
Yeah. It wasn't original.
So as guys is from here, have they become like a big star? Somebody has been from the big star, like from skipping, has won in the sport before from here.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, if you want to get good, it's an easy place to be. Yeah.
Oh, that's
so.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you
very much for being my Jimmy TV. This is what's your name? Ned, and you?
Joe,
and this is Jimmy White. Thank you for being in Jimmy White.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man, these guys are doing fine, You see them doing fine. You see what they are doing? Wow. They are skipping, doing a lot of things and enjoying themselves. So I want you, wherever you are, come and join them. Come and join and enjoy yourself in this part. I think I've come to the end of this tour. One thing that I understand is that like this part, there is no like football where you play football. You don't have football you play, but they have a lot of adventures. They have a lot of fun, loving places. They have a big space where you can have your relaxation, catch your fun. You can walk on the street. See people walking on the street. They have restaurant, they have like seaside where you can view the ship, the vessels, passengers vessel, like tourist vessel, like what I just showed you. I just showed you something up there, and what I showed you, you see people going on that thing, people are going on it, and a lot of things that are happening there. But the only thing that I don't see here is football. I don't see like where you have your gym area, and I think I've come to the end of this. Is the end of the street in the park, and this is Westminster as a whole. And the other side of the bridge is where you have the Westminster number 10, where you see number 10 and the Parliament House and this thing. And that side there is other park that is there. But these are the park where people always want to be. This place is where people always want to be. There's a lot of people coming around here, visitors from different parts, different places. They are all coming to this part. They are all coming to this part to catch the fun, to enjoy the experience, to enjoy the things that has been done here. And there are different parks. Like I said to you, there are small parks, there are bigger capacity of park, there are little parks, there are one bit for the children, and there are one bit for adults and children. But this very one is a one that people lovely come, and this is one of the big park, and it's a fun loving place that if you don't know any place, you can come around here. It's close to London Bridge, it's close to Towers Bridge, and it's a lovely place, student and everybody there. So I would like you to subscribe, comment, like this video, and share this video. Please like this video and share this video. It's your boy Jimmy White. I will see you in the next video when I'm going to be in another park. I'm going to go to another park and also show you some beautiful things about the park. But for now, please like this video and share this video. Share this video, make sure your friends and family watch this video, and I'll see you. Thank you.